Welcome to our channel. Today we how to protect your investments with Rowe Price detailed guide step by step clearly. Start by assessing your current investment portfolio. Identify your financial goals and risk tolerance. Review the different investment products offered by Rowe Price. Consider mutual funds, ETFs, and managed accounts as potential options. Research Rowe Price's performance history and fund manager expertise. Open an account with Rowe Price through their website. Complete the required personal information forms. Fund your account by transferring assets or adding new deposits. Explore the available investment strategies tailored to your needs. Choose a diversified mix of assets to reduce risk. Utilize Rowe Price's investment tools and resources for guidance. Monitor your investments regularly to stay aligned with your goals. Adjust your asset allocation as market conditions change. Engage with Rowe Price's financial advisors for personalized advice. Review your investment progress quarterly to make informed decisions. Stay updated with market trends and news that may impact your portfolio. Ensure you are aware of any fees associated with your investments. Take advantage of educational materials offered by Rowe Price. Participate in webinars or events to enhance your investment knowledge. Consider automatic investment plans to make regular contributions easier. Revisit your financial goals periodically to ensure they are still relevant. Utilize tax-efficient strategies to maximize your investment returns. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.